Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Android phone screen keeps dimming for no reason. First, head to the Settings app. Here, scroll down to tap on Display. Here, turn off the Adaptive Brightness toggle. Then, enable this extra brightness option. Then, scroll down and tap on Screen Timeout. Here, enable the Keep Screen On While Viewing option. Now, go back to the previous menu and tap on Battery. Now, disable the power saving option. Go back to the main settings page again. Now, scroll down to tap on Accessibility. Here, tap on Vision Enhancements. In this menu, scroll down and turn off the extra dim option. If your Android screen keeps dimming even after this, make sure your phone has enough charge and is not overheating. If your phone is overheating while gaming or recording videos, it will lower the brightness to protect itself, which is normal. In that case, you must wait for your phone to cool down and your issue will be solved. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.